Hi, today I'm for Amazon Fire HD10 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first we should open the settings application, then tap to the sound section. Here you'll see media, call, alarm and notification volume panels. So just to change them, we should slide to the left or to the right side these white dots on the volume panels by this way. Here we got the don't disturb mode section. We could turn it on or turn it off with the help of the switcher to change the allow the sounds, notifications or messages from any apps, to set the schedule, this start time, the end time, to change the duration. Let's go back. Here we could just use the shortcut to prevent ringing to change default notification and alarm sounds. And in other sound settings, we got here screen lock unlock sounds, charging sounds and touch sound switchers. So just to turn on and turn off these options, we should use the switchers. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.